In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Notion calendar in your Notion page. Having a calendar directly within your Notion workspace is incredibly useful for staying organized, tracking deadlines, and managing all your events in one central hub. It's a game changer for productivity, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or personal tasks. So let's dive right in and get your Notion page perfectly organized. Step 1. Open your Notion workspace. First things first, open up your Notion workspace on your computer or through the app. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to integrate your new calendar. You can either pick an existing page that needs some date-based organization, or create a brand new page specifically for your calendar. Having a dedicated page for your calendar can be especially helpful if you plan to track multiple projects or want a full-page view of your events. Step 2. Add a new block. Once you're on your desired page, the next step is to add a new block. Type a / anywhere on an empty line. This will instantly bring up Notion's powerful block menu. Alternatively, hover your mouse over an empty line and a small plus icon will appear. Clicking that will also open the block menu. Step 3. Select your calendar type. Now, with the block menu open, type Calendar into the search bar. You'll see a few options pop up. Calendar Inline for a calendar that lives directly on your current page. Calendar Full Page if you want your calendar to have its own dedicated page within Notion. For most cases, Inline is perfect, as it seamlessly integrates into your existing content without taking up a full page. Step 4. Customize your calendar. Once you select Calendar Inline, a brand new, empty calendar database will appear on your page. Here's where the real magic happens. You can click the New button within the calendar to add new events, tasks, or deadlines. Easily customize properties like tags, priorities, or categories. Include specific dates, reminders, and even recurring tasks. Use different views like table, board, or list to see your calendar in the way that works best for you. This isn't just a static display. It's a fully functional database. You can link it to other pages, filter by tags, and even use it to track project milestones. Step 5. Tips for maximum productivity. Use colors and tags to differentiate between work, personal, or school tasks. Add reminders for important deadlines so you never miss anything. Consider creating a weekly or monthly view to get a snapshot of your upcoming events. Integrate your calendar with other Notion databases, like task trackers or project boards, for a complete productivity system. And there you have it. Adding a Notion calendar is a fantastic way to keep track of your tasks, events, and deadlines all within your central workspace. It brings a new level of clarity to your projects and personal planning. If this video helped you organize your Notion page and streamline your workflow, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.